Hello, this is the appendix. That's right, I'm the one that you think is useless and inflamed and suppurative. But in fact, this baby is still useful. Don't dislike me so much. I live between my cecal brother and my ileal sister, the cecum, the ileum, and I'm a childhood sweetheart. All three of us are connected. We are family. From the birth of the master, lymphatic tissue slowly builds up in my body, building on the Lord's resistance. It also secretes a variety of digestive enzymes, hormones that promote intestinal peristalsis. There are also growth-related hormones that help the owner digest and absorb. I've been getting complaints all the time that I'm particularly prone to inflammation, but I didn't get inflamed casually. People get inflamed for a reason, okay? My hair gets inflamed. The first cause is infection. So the owner's body becomes infected, especially when my neighbors get infected. I can also lie down if the owner's immunity is not good enough. Pneumonia can also involve me. The second reason is that it is choked. Everyone knows that my house is quite small, right? Slender. I accidentally blocked it, and the mucus I secreted couldn't get out, so it was all in my stomach. And the pressure builds. It impedes the blood supply. My mucous membranes are easily injured. After the injury, an accidental infection becomes appendicitis. Then the owner started to have a stomachache. It hurts, usually around the belly button first. After a few hours or half a day or so, it becomes a stomachache on the lower right side. The doctor said it's called metastatic abdominal pain, but although the painful position runs around, press the pulse point of the right lower abdomen, but it always hurts. This is where the right lower abdomen bulges. The line between the bone and the navel is partial to the bone. The third focal point on this side is the appendix pulse point. If the inflammation gets worse, the owner will start to have a fever. Body temperature can rise to 38-39 degrees, or even higher, and loss of appetite, nausea, and vomiting. Some people experience constipation or diarrhea. For example, appendicitis irritates the psoas muscle and causes leg pain. I would also like to remind parents, some children's symptoms are not obvious. Can't cooperate with the inspection. It's very easy to overlook. Procrastination. Therefore, children experience abdominal pain or cry for more than 2 to 3 hours. Be sure to go to the hospital for diagnosis and treatment in time. The doctor said that if I just had an enlarged lymph node that caused my appendix to narrow, that can give the owner some antibiotics to fight infection. Just eat a light diet. If I fester and I get a big abdominal infection, that would require surgery. You don't have to worry too much. Because it's now possible to do minimally invasive surgery laparoscopically, you only need to make 3 small holes in the belly. Then the endoscope and operating instruments are inserted deep into the abdominal cavity, so the surgeons are just watching the video as they operate the instruments. When the doctor separated me from my master, me and the master ileum sister,
The fate of the cecum brother is finally over.
now lie quietly on the surgical tray, without a trace of sadness. Goodbye, blind brother. You must protect your master well in the future.
Goodbye, master. You have to take good care of your body.